All right, we're starting out, Princeton Tigers, we're starting out with the same notes we start out with every day. So product rule, when we are multiplying exponents with the same base, what do we do to the exponents? Should be really good at this by now. We multiply, so in that first blank, right, multiply. For the second one, quotient rule, division. When dividing exponents with the same base, what do we do to the exponents? We divide the exponents. And last one, powers rule. When raising an exponent to another exponent, so this is when you see two exponents next to each other, what do we do to the exponents? We multiply. Get these down. It's important that we have them. All right. Video examples. So the first one, what operation are we doing? We're doing division. Do we have the same base? Yes. What's our base? Right, our base is 7. So you have 7 to the 6 divided by 7 squared. What rule do we need to use to solve this one? Our quotient rule, because we are dividing. So what will I do to my exponents? Subtract them. So I'll have 7, 6 minus 2, which is the same. 6 minus 2 equals what? 4. All right, next one. We have 8 to the 4th times 8 to the negative 3rd times 8 squared. Do we have the same base? Yes. What's our base? Right, our base is 8. What rule are we going to use to solve this one? We are going to use the product rule. So what will I do with my exponents? Yes, I will add them. So I'll keep my base. I'll do 4 plus negative 3 plus 2. If you don't have a calculator, go ahead, grab one. 4 plus negative 3 plus 2 is going to give us, what? 3. So I'll have 8 to the 3rd power. Next one, I have x to the 4th power raised to the negative 6th power. What is my base? Right, my base is x. Which rule am I going to be using? I'll be using my powers rule because I'm raising an exponent to another exponent. So what am I going to do with my exponents? I'm going to multiply them. So if I multiply 4 times, I'll have x to the 4 times negative 6 power, which is x to the negative 24th power. Last one, we have 5 cubed times 5 to the negative 2nd power over 5 squared. Okay, tricky question. I'm going to be using 2 rules. Which 2 rules am I using? I'm using the product rule and the quotient rule. Why? Yeah, because I'm both multiplying and dividing. I have 2 operations in this one. So I'm going to start with just looking at my numerator. What operation are we doing in my numerator? Multiplication. So what do I have the same base in my numerator? Yep, what's my base? My base is 5. So what can I do because I'm multiplying with the same base? I'll keep my 5 and I will add my exponents. 3 plus negative 2. 3 plus negative 2 is what? 1 over 5 squared. All right. Now what operation does this fraction bar mean? Division. What do I do when I'm dividing with the same base? I subtract my exponents. So I'll have 5 to the 1st power minus 2, which is 5 to the negative 1st power. All right, go ahead and finish up the rest of this worksheet as well as the back on your own, and then we'll go over it together at the end of class. Good luck.